Today's travelers expect exceptional service, fast response times, and new levels of cleanliness no matter where they stay. Meeting those expectations puts a heavy demand on your time and resources, but having a small staff and a small budget doesn't mean you're limited. That's why we're extending the Amadeus Service Optimization Suite with the new HotSOS Select. With HotSOS Select, it's never been easier to streamline operations and elevate the guest experience. You no longer have to worry about paper trails and inaccurate information with manual operations. We give you the tools to automate workflow that will improve response times, reduce costs, optimize labor, and create a paperless environment for your team. Using our operations dashboard, you'll be able to make informed decisions on the fly and ensure that vital information is communicated to the right people at the right time, so your hotel runs smoothly. Using your property's data, reports are created that allow you to identify pain points and make improvements to the guest experience. Manage room inspections to log maintenance and equipment tasks, ensure quality, and mitigate risk. You and your team will be up and running fast with our easy-to-use in-application training videos. After all, you don't have to be a big box property to offer big-time service. Try a demo of Amadeus's Service Optimization HotSOS Select today.